Hello. One day the front door started making this cracking noise, and it was definitely annoying. This will be a very quick video, as replacing the door limiter is a simple job. First open the cover to confirm the noise is actually coming from the limiter and not from something else. To remove it, all you need is Torx T30 with a small ratchet for easier access. Remove the 4 bolts that holds the door limiter in place and pull it out. In my case, it was broken, the plastic had a crack, probably due to age, as this one is now 14 years old. I got a new part which is slightly different in design. Installing the new part is the same process as removing the old one. No alignment is needed as it mounts in a fixed position. Once installed, check the new part worked correctly before putting the plastic cover back on, and that's it, job done. The door now sounds like it should.